Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Triple Crown Blue laundry is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items in maintaining a fresh and clean living space, and today, we're diving deep into what makes this particular detergent stand out from the crowded market, exploring its unique formula, powerful cleaning capabilities, and the overall value it brings to your laundry routine, ensuring your clothes not only look spotless but also feel incredibly soft and smell wonderfully fresh after every wash, making laundry day a more pleasant experience. Number 5. AQUA CREST RV Inline Water Filter. This filter is certified by NSF against NSF ANSI 42 and 372 standards. It effectively reduces chlorine, bad taste, and odor, ensuring you always enjoy refreshing, tasty water. It features a premium hose protector that allows 360-degree rotation. The hose has anti-rust copper heads and a silicone gasket, preventing breakage and leaks. This product has passed rigorous triple precision tests, including water pressure and pulse tests. It reduces corrosion, turbidity, and harmful substances for safe drinking water. Installation is a breeze, taking no more than 5 minutes by hand without any tools. It easily attaches to any standard 3/4 GHT water hose. It lasts for 3 months, providing clean, refreshing drinking water throughout the camping season. It's also great for car washing and gardening. What we like? This filter is NSF certified, ensuring it meets high standards for water purification. It effectively reduces chlorine, bad taste, and odor, providing refreshing water on the go. If you are a camper or RVer looking for reliable and tasty filtered water, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The Triple Crown Blue laundry detergent has a very pleasant scent that leaves clothes smelling fresh. It effectively removes stains and leaves whites looking brighter. The detergent is concentrated, meaning a little goes a long way, making it economical. Number 4. Persil Original Liquid Laundry Detergent. Introducing Persil Original Liquid Laundry Detergent. Get a deep clean and care for your clothes with every wash. This ultra-concentrated formula delivers 110 loads of powerful cleaning in just 82.5 fluid ounces. It's designed for efficiency and effectiveness. Experience a superior deep clean that keeps both your colors vibrant and your whites bright. It handles all your laundry needs. No matter the water temperature, this detergent is formulated to perform. Enjoy a great clean whether you use hot, cold, or warm water. It's safe for use in high-efficiency, heat washing machines. This ensures optimal performance and care for your appliance. Persil Original provides the ultimate laundry solution for everyday cleaning. Trust it for a consistently fresh and clean result. What we like? This detergent offers an ultra-concentrated formula for a deep clean that cares for both colors and whites. It's effective in all water temperatures and safe for heat machines. If you need a powerful, all-around detergent that handles a variety of loads and water conditions, this is the one for you. What people say. The Triple Crown Blue laundry detergent is highly effective at removing tough stains. Its unique formula provides a deep clean without damaging fabrics. The detergent leaves clothes smelling fresh and clean after each wash. Number 3. SWEETV Baroque Queen Crown. Embrace your inner royalty with this stunning queen crown. Designed in a classic Baroque style, it's perfect for any special occasion. Adorned with brilliant jewels, this tiara adds a touch of glamour and sophistication. It's a true statement piece that will make you shine. Make your wedding day unforgettable with this exquisite bridal tiara. It's the perfect accessory to complete your bridal look. Elevate your prom night or any party with this dazzling jeweled crown. It's sure to turn heads and make you feel like a star. Complete your Halloween costume with this magnificent crown. It's the ultimate accessory for a dramatic and enchanting look. This crown is a timeless piece of hair accessory that offers enduring elegance. It's designed to be cherished for years to come. What we like? This crown features a stunning Baroque design, heavily jeweled for a regal look. It's perfect for adding a touch of glamour to any special occasion. If you're looking for a statement accessory for a prom, wedding, or themed party, this tiara will make you feel like royalty. What people say. This is a great laundry detergent that leaves clothes smelling fresh and clean. The scent is not overpowering, but it is noticeable and pleasant. A little goes a long way, so the bottle lasts for a while. Number 2. Jamaican Blue Power Laundry Soap, 3-pack. Introducing Jamaican Blue Power Laundry Soap. Experience a powerful clean that's gentle on fabrics and the environment. Its unique formula tackles tough stains effectively. You can trust it to keep your clothes looking their best, wash after wash. Enjoy a refreshing scent with every load. It leaves your whites brilliantly clean and vibrant. This value pack offers an economical solution for your laundry needs. Get superior cleaning performance without breaking the bank. Make the smart choice for your laundry care. Jamaican Blue Power Laundry Soap delivers exceptional results you'll love. What we like. This laundry soap is made with natural ingredients for a powerful clean. The pack of 3 ensures you have plenty for your laundry needs. If you prefer a traditional, effective soap bar for your laundry and want a cost-effective solution, this Jamaican Blue Power Soap is a great option. What people say. This is the best laundry detergent I have ever used. It gets my clothes so clean and they smell amazing. I love the scent of this detergent. It's not too overpowering, but it leaves my clothes smelling fresh and clean. This detergent is very effective at removing stains. I have tried many different detergents, but this one is by far the best. Number 1. Lysol Laundry Sanitizer Additive, Crisp Linen. Introducing Lysol Laundry Sanitizer. It eliminates odor-causing bacteria that linger in your laundry, even in cold water. Unlike regular detergents, this additive goes deep to kill bacteria. Say goodbye to stubborn smells and hello to truly clean clothes. Enjoy the refreshing crisp linen scent with every wash. It leaves your laundry smelling fresh and revitalized. This powerful formula is safe for all washing machines. Simply add it with your regular detergent for a superior clean. Get long-lasting freshness and confidence with every load. It's the perfect solution for active families and odor-prone items. The large 90-ounce bottle ensures you have enough for many washes. It's an economical choice for keeping your laundry sanitized and fresh. What we like. This laundry sanitizer is designed to kill odor-causing bacteria, ensuring your clothes come out fresh and clean. It leaves a pleasant crisp linen scent. If you're concerned about lingering odors or want an extra layer of sanitization for your laundry, especially for workout gear or towels, this additive is a must-have. What people say. The Triple Crown Blue Laundry Detergent is highly effective at removing tough stains. Its unique formula provides a deep clean without damaging fabrics. The detergent leaves clothes smelling fresh and clean after each wash. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.